Here's a question where we're asked to define or determine what the angle of this question is. It's basically solve an equation. First off, the thing that I see that bothers me a little bit is that it's a reciprocal ratio. And I know I can't do that with my calculator, so I'm going to maybe try and change that. One thing I know that cosecant and sine are reciprocals of each other. So if I take the reciprocal of cosecant to get sine, then I have to do the reciprocal of the other side too. So that would be 3 over 2 root 3. Now, I could now at this point just do an arc sine of both sides to try and figure out what the angle is. But I know there's some exact angles, and maybe I can get to that. So in order to maybe simplify this, the root 3 on the bottom, not allowed. You're not supposed to have radicals on the bottom. So I'm going to rationalize that. So I'll take both top and bottom and multiply it by root 3. And so now I'm going to get on the top, I'll get 3 root 3. And on the bottom I'm going to get 2 times root 3 is the square root of 9, which is just 3. So I'll have 2 times 3 on the bottom. Oh, and I can see that those 2 3's cancel out. So really I have sine theta is equal to root 3 over 2. But root 3 over 2, that's one of those angles or ratios that are part of that table. Remember the table, sine, cos, and tan, and 30, 45, and 60. And root 3 over 2 is right over there. So therefore, I would say in this case here that the sine of my angle is equal to root 3 over 2. That angle must be 60 degrees. Now I could have, back at this point up here, like I said, done the arc sine and figured out what the arc sine of that was, and it would have come out to 60 degrees too. But this just lets me use the table. Might be just a hair, I don't know, hair faster. Hair more accurate. You're going to get 60 in both cases. Now 60 degrees, in this first section, I think the answer would just be 60 degrees. But you could solve that as a reference angle and go from there as well. But I think for this question, all they were looking for was 60 degrees.